guys, today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than I've been doing over the past couple of weeks. So instead of a hair tutorial, I'm going to be doing a tutorial for a DIY disposable mask. This is a mask that clients can wear while in the salon without ruining their mask with tint or hair or bleach or any of the other things that we use on your head. So what it is it's a mask made up of everyday household items that you can get your hands on easily. It's not in super high demand right now like a normal mask is, or the materials to make masks. So this is something that one of the girls at work, her name is Charisse, her amazing husband came up with this idea, and he gave us a prototype, and then my boss said go out and share it with the world because we all need to be in the same boat and we all need to stay safe or we will all be locked in our house forever, and nobody wants that. So make sure you're wearing your masks, and let's get started on the tutorial.
The first thing you're going to need are these toolbox shop towels. They come in a pack of 6 and can be found at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. To start, take out one roll and then pull the perforated edges so you end up with a big stack of square-like blue towels. The next thing you're going to need is a heavy-duty stapler and some really good staples. I cannot stress this part enough that you need a heavy-duty stapler and really good staples. Otherwise, it will not go through the fabric in the way that you need it to so that the mask doesn't fall apart. You'll also need a big bag of rubber bands. The stretchier the better, and make sure they're durable. So make sure you have everything you need right on your table and that your blue towel is long way across so when you start to fold, it will have enough fabric to reach from ear to ear. You're going to be doing an accordion fold, so every time you go to fold a piece, you're going to flip the fabric over so that it starts to form a little bit of a pleat when you staple the sides together. So keep doing that until there's no fabric left, and then put a little bit of pressure on it when you go to fold it down the last time. Then you're going to take one rubber band and place it on the end, fold over the excess amount of cloth, and make sure that if you were to pull on it, it has enough fabric, the rubber band won't go anywhere. Then you're going to take your stapler, and I chose to do 2 staples on each side just for good keeping. And make sure that when you look at it, you see it on one side, and when you flip over, the staples went all the way through and you know it got all the fabric in there. You're going to do the same thing to the other side, and just be sure that the staples are going through, otherwise when you put it on the ears, they will fall off. Once again, make sure that it went through all the way. Then you have your mask, and I will show you how it opens up very easily, and you can still see some of the pleats. You can make your pleats bigger or smaller just as long as they're there and your stapler is good.
Okay, so now that you've seen the making of the mask, I'm going to show you the final product and then show you how it looks on and everything like that. So this is the mask that I just made. It's gonna look like a big old hot dog, a blue hot dog. And then you have your rubber bands, which you can kind of stretch out before you put them on the ear. I highly suggest that, just so that it doesn't pull your ear and get uncomfortable. So they stretch really far, just like all rubber bands. So the front of the mask is gonna be just plain. Your folded pieces will be on the inside. That goes against your skin. And I did that because when you staple, you want the side on your skin to be the flat side of the staple. And then on the back part is where it is the little pieces that come out, because if for whatever reason these snag, you know, like sometimes staples do, they are away from your skin. You don't want to obviously hurt your client's skin. So that's what it looks like. So you're gonna hold it like this with the little pieces here against your face. So I'm gonna hold it like this. Then just kind of take the bottom and the top and open it, and then it just goes like this, and then place that around there and this around here, and there you go. And it's a mask, and it is good for a short-term period. Obviously these aren't meant to be reused, but you can get anything on the rubber bands that you need to and then just toss it in the garbage after. This is even good for people in other places of work, I'm sure, and they're not even that ugly, which is great. So you know, this will still allow people to be safe and get their hair done, because obviously that is what we all need to get back to, because we are all getting roots, including myself. So if you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I will put a little thing in the description about where to get everything and the brands and stuff that I used, just so that you have something to look back on if you have to run to the store to get stuff. So thanks so much for watching. Thank you again to Sharice's husband for coming up with this. We appreciate it so much, and we all can't wait to be back at the salon and share quarantine stories with each other. So thank you so much, and yeah, feel free to ask me anything. Have a good one. Bye.